There are two ways God helps men with respect to time. Number one is speed. Number two is restoration. These are the forces of advantage allocated to help men gain time. Let me repeat again. Number one is speed. Number two is restoration. Restoration is God taking the events that should have happened and bringing it to your future to happen. And I will restore the years. It is not only things God restores, he can restore years. Years of doing error in ministry. You started ministry early, but because of poor mentorship, for 10 years you were doing a lot of rubbish. Now you got serious with God and discovered that you've wasted 10 years. By that 10 years you would have had some level of establishment. Now you have to start afresh again. You don't need progress, you need speed. Progress is forward movement. Speed is not just for you to move forward, it is to gain the time you have lost. And that grace must come on somebody this morning.